Diktuk u'Masoret HaMikra, Parashat Vayishlach 5. The references to Perek Lamed Bet Pasuk Tet Vav, Rizim Matayim U'Tyashim Esrim, Rechelim Matayim Ve'elim Esrim. The Maharam Rottenberg brings down a perush according to the Masoret. He says in the Torah, throughout the Torah, there are only two pesukim, bet pesukim be'oraita in the Torah. Decho sofet evotehem mesaimim b'memim. There are only two pesukim in the whole Torah where every single word in those pesukim ends in a mem sofit. Ve'idach, the second pasuk, one of them is here, and all mem sofit. The second is in Parashat Pinchas on the seventh day for the korbanot for Sukkot. It says the following: Min hatam v'niskehem lakevasim b'misparam kemishpatam. Again, every one of those five words ends in a mem sofit. So there's a connection, he says, between those two pesukim. The one here and the one. What's the connection between Yaakov Avinu giving a doron, a big present, a big offering to Esav, and the korbanot that Bnei Israel had to bring on the holidays to HaKadosh Baruch Hu. He says the following, according to the Midrash there. It says, Amar HaKadosh Baruch Hu Yaakov. Kadosh Baruch Hu said to Yaakov, okay, ani הבטחתיך שלא לירא מרשע ולא משום אדם. לא לירא מעשיו ולשום אדם. He says, I promised you before when you were dealing, and when you say Yaakov, he says, I promised you nobody is going to harm you. All you have to do is believe me. But you didn't uphold that. You didn't seem to believe in that. So what? What did you do? Lo samachta al devarai. You didn't rely on what I said. Ad sheshalachta lo dorot mincha. Until, in other words, so what you do in place of that, because you weren't convinced that I would protect you, you gave him taf kof nun behemot. You sent to him 550 behemot, 550 animals of various types, in order to give him quite a big offering to calm him down, to appease him. Hayecha, the Midrash goes on, Hayecha, shebanecha yitztarchu li, lefroa li, vehem tafkum nun behemot hamutalim al tzibur. He says, because of that, the Torah always said in Parashat, in about the things that happened to the Avot and Bereshit, according to Ramban and others bring down that Maaseh Avot Siman Lebanim, whatever happened to our forefathers is a siman, a remes to what's going to happen to us later on. So here, he says, Bnei Yisrael, what did they do? Because Yaakov Avinu didn't rely on HaKadosh Baruch Hu, and he gave over 550 animals to appease Esav. He said they were required, therefore, to sacrifice 550 animals during the year for HaKadosh Baruch Hu. Now, how does the 550 get computed? First of all, according to one opinion on how this is computed, the Sheni Temidim, the two Temidim for each day, are excluded from this. This is a Chiyuv for the day. And then the other one that's excluded is Shemini Atzeret, the one keves, the one that you have there at the end, one keves, not according to the number of days, or the decreasing according to the number of days like we have in Sukkot, but after the seventh day of Sukkot, on the eighth day, what's offered on Shemini Atzeret is a true doron, is a true offering to Kadosh Baruch Hu that doesn't get included and computed with the 550. But if you count all of the offerings that the Bnei Israel bring to Kadosh Baruch Hu during the holidays, it ends up, according to the Maharam Rottenberg, it ends up being 550. And they were required, he says, because Beremes, we see that because Yaakov Avinu didn't have enough bitachon in the Kadosh Baruch Hu, so he had to offer 550 animals as a doron, as a gift to appease and assuage Esav. Bnei Israel therefore had to make up for it. And so during all of the holidays, we bring 550 korbanot.